Is it enough that someone will go on LinkedIn, create account and leave it there, or there is some criteria of seeing an ideal profile on LinkedIn?
Right, yeah, there's a lot of us. I mean, a lot of us, and I don't fall into those category, but there are a lot of people, a lot of job seekers, or simply a lot of profile that are just inactive. They're just there just for the sake of being there. A bit like at first when Facebook started many years ago and you weren't too sure which way forward.
Yeah.
And I think that's a shame because there's a lot to be done on LinkedIn, even if you're not looking for a job. So you can interact with your industry by joining groups. You can join a conversation that you might never think of joining because someone within your entourage has posted something which is of interest. So yes, you can, but those people are called your passive candidate effectively, as well as anything else. They're just there to sort of be seen somehow, but they're not too sure why they should be there. They just sort of jumped on the train, but not really sure how to keep going forward.
Right.
Maybe they don't need it at the stage, but everybody should learn something. So I truly believe that being there, not using it to the full potential is a bit of a downside.
You can watch more videos on my channel related to this. Thank you.